Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the resonance concept in the electrical circuits. Okay? What is mean by resonance? What is mean by resonance? So we already learned about the resonance in the physics. Soldier walking on the bridge, they won't maintain a particular frequency walk. If the frequency of their walk and bridge frequency is same, the bridge will be collapsed. That is the resonance. One more example of the naturally we are observed in the daily life. If oscillate a tuning fork will oscillate with a certain frequency, that is called resonance phenomena, general terms. Okay, so coming to the electrical engineering, what is meant by resonance? What are the major effects in the resonance? We will discuss in detailed manner. First, uh, what are the basic component in order to get the resonance condition in electrical engineering? Okay, the storing elements. The resonance in the electric circuit is because of the presence of both energy storing elements such as inductor and capacitor at a fixed frequency omega naught will exchange energy. These both elements will exchange energy freely as a function of time. The time changing as a function of time, the energy exchange occurs between the storing elements, which results in sinusoidal oscillation either across inductor or capacitor. That is called resonance phenomenon. Okay, so in resonance we will discuss in detailed manner in series resonance and parallel resonance. In series resonance circuits, the circuit arrangement like this: resistance, inductor, and capacitance with applied with a sinusoidal excitation. This is resistance, inductance, and capacitance. Where a parallel circuit, the resistance, inductor, and capacitor with excited with sinusoidal voltage Vs. This is source voltage. Source voltage. This is the current. This is the total current. Today our content is what is meant by series resonance and parallel resonance. Important parameters such as resonance frequency, which is denoted f naught or omega naught. Okay, what is meant by half power frequencies? Okay, which are denoted f1 and f2. Okay, what is meant by bandwidth? It is denoted by beta. Later we will in detail discussion on the quality factor. What is the purpose of quality factor and what is the value of the quality factor in the both the cases as a series as well as a parallel circuits. So what are the applications in series and resonance? At the end of topic we will discuss. So series resonance. Resonance is a condition actually in RLC circuit in which the capacitive and reactive reactance are equal. Sorry, it is inductive reactance. Sorry, inductive reactance are equal in magnitude, thereby the resulting in purely resistive impedance. The nature of the circuit is purely okay, resistive. Resonance circuits are useful for the constructing filters in order to eliminate the harmonics and avoid unwanted signals. Okay, and used in many applications. Resonance basically we observe in home appliances, radio. We are operating in home, the radio station, FM station sending with a certain frequency from the transmitter. For example, this is a frequency F1. We are tuning here with the channel on the radio till we will get the undistorted voice. Means there is no voice in the sound signal. So the frequency at which receiving side is same. F1 and F2 is same. So in that case only we will get the clear voice. So this tuning entirely based on the RLC, either series or parallel circuits. So this is a circuit representation of the series resonance circuit. Now I'm going to basic circuit diagram. Connected resistance, inductance. Inductance reactance is represented J omega XL, and capacitive reactance is 1 upon J omega C. The Vs is the supply voltage, Vm is the magnitude or maximum value of the voltage, and the theta is the phase angle. Okay, so the current passes enter the circuit is I, which is denoted by I. So at resonant condition, what is to happen? What will happen? At the resonance, impedance consists only resistive component. There is no effect of the inductance and capacitance effect at the resonance condition. Only resistance effect is present. The value of current is maximum. Please note down this point. The current value is maximum since the total impedance is minimum. Why? Because we will discuss in the further discussion. Please make a note on this point. The voltage currents are in phase. We discussed in the previous classes the voltage and current both are in phase because of the resistive nature of the circuit. Resistive nature of the circuit. Maximum power occurs at resonance. Okay, since the power factor is unity. What is the power factor? Cos phi. What is the angle between the voltage and current? Here it is 0. So means that cos 0 is equal to 1. So unity power factor. That's why the maximum power occurs at resonance frequency. So now we are dealing with the series resonance, the condition for resonance, and what is the impedance resonance condition and the current at the resonance condition. We will discuss in this slide. So the total impedance of the resistance circuit is combination of the all the elements, inductance and the resistance and capacitance. So R plus, instead of j omega I am replacing j XL. Instead of 1 by j omega I am writing minus j XC. Okay, R plus j XL minus j XC. I am rewritten as rearranging the terms R plus JXL minus JXC. At the resistance condition, from the definition, the resistive nature of the circuit, pure resistive nature at the resonant condition. So, from this equation, when will occurs the nature of the circuit is resistive the imaginary part of the impedance going to be 0. Means imaginary imaginary part of z equal to 0. Okay. So what is the imaginary part? XL minus XC is equal to 0. Okay. From this, XL is equal to XC. This is the condition for resonance occurrence. Please, please remember this point. The inductive reactance is equal to the capacitive reactance. In that case only, the circuit behaves like a resonant. Okay. So in this case, the total impedance will become now be reduced to R. Okay. In any circuit, the current is defined as voltage upon impedance, or total resistance. So V upon source voltage is Vs upon total impedance is Z. So the effect of inductance and capacitance is going to be reduced. So the current become will be the current the current will become maximum because the denominator is low, which is low. So indirectly the effect of the current it will be high. At the resonant current, at the resonance condition, the current value is maximum. The impedance value is minimum. Okay. So what is the resonance frequency? Okay, resonance frequency is the frequency at which the condition of the resonance occurs. Okay, so it is also known as center frequency. So in order to get the resonance frequency from the condition, inductive reactance is equal to capacitive reactance. Okay, so what is meant by XL? J omega L is equal to 1 upon J omega C. This J, so inductive reactance means here is XL, it is, sorry, it is XC, 1 upon omega C. So omega L is equal to 1 upon omega C. Please do not consider J operator. So omega square is equal to 1 upon ELC. What is my omega? Square root of under root of ELC. What is my omega? Instead of omega, we can write as 2 pi F. Okay. So from this equation and this equation, so resonance frequency F naught is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root of ELC. This is the resonance frequency for series RLC circuit, which is measured in hertz. Okay. Half power frequencies. Please this definition remembrance. Half power frequency is the frequency when the magnitude of the output voltage or current is decreased by a factor 1 upon root 2 either or 0.707 from its maximum value. Okay, so these are defined as F1 and F2. Okay, please remember these formulas. No need in detail derivation. Omega 1 and omega 2. Okay, omega 1 is equal to minus r upon 2l plus square root of r upon 2l whole square plus 1 upon lc radians per second. Okay, omega 2 is equal to r upon 2l plus square root of r upon 2l whole square plus 1 upon lc radians per second. Please remember these two formulas. So what is meant by bandwidth? Bandwidth defined as between the half two frequencies. If I consider a dumbbell shaped wave, this is the First one, this is the second of wave frequency. Means the magnitude decrease up to 0.707. This is a peak value. It is Vm. So whatever the area between the two of wave frequencies is the area between the f1 and f2 is treated as a bandwidth. Bandwidth. The width of response curve is determined by the bandwidth. Okay, bandwidth is beta is equal to omega c2. This is upper cutoff frequency. This is lower cutoff frequencies. So it is derived as beta is equal to r upon L radian per second. Please remember this formula directly. No need go for the in detail derivation. So what is the current response? If I consider the current, initially starting with a 0 increases and reaches to maximum value at resonance condition. The magnitude of the current is Vm upon R. If I consider 70% of the maximum current, it is the first half power frequency and second one is the half power frequency. This is first one, this is upper. The area between the two frequencies is treated as a bandwidth. Okay, it reaches to maximum value at the resonance. After resonance condition, the value of the current slowly decreases to the zero with respect to change time. Sorry, with respect to the frequency. The voltage response curve similar as like the current. So what will be quality factor? The ratio of the resonance frequency to the bandwidth is denoted as quality factor. Quality factor is basically give the information how quality to the circuit. Okay. So Q is equal to from the definition resonance frequency omega naught upon beta is equal to omega naught. What is beta? Beta is equal to R by L from the previous derivation. So on the total quality factor of the series resonance circuit is omega naught L upon R. The sharpness of the response curve could be measured by the quality factor. See, the quality factor versus bandwidth shows the graphical representation in this slide. Okay. So the high value of the quality factor, the smaller value of the bandwidth means higher sensitive. See, the Q1 is the least sensitive, Q2 is the medium sensitive, and Q3 is the greater sensitive. This is the sharp curve, means bandwidth is very low. Bandwidth is very low compared to the bandwidth of the B1. The lower value of the Q large bandwidth means it gives the first one is the value of the Q is very low, but bandwidth is very high, very high. So now move on to next topic is parallel resonance. Sorry, this is VM. I am considering the applied voltage is Vs. The current flowing through the parallel network is I0, the total current. So R1, sorry, resistance and inductance and capacitance are end terminals and starting terminals connected to a particular point. So that's why it is called as parallel network. So how the parallel network behavior means resonance occurs, how it is appear in the parallel network. Okay. So basically resonance condition The presence of the energy storing elements. What are the energy storing elements? Inductor and capacitor. These two elements energy transfers freely. Okay. In particular condition, their effect will be nullified and the nature of the circuit is pure resistive. Pure resistive. That condition is called parallel resonance. In parallel circuit, we are considering total admittance, whereas in series circuits, we are consider impedance, impedance, whereas parallel networks, it is the admittance. Admittance means reciprocal of the impedance. So total admittance is equal to first branch admittance, second branch admittance, third branch admittance. So first element is resistive. So what is admittance? 1 upon R. Second element is inductor, 1 upon J omega L. Third element is capacitor, 1 upon minus J upon omega C. So rearranging these terms, 1 upon R, this J operator is going to be numerator, that will be having the negative sign upon omega L plus J omega C. So please rearrange these terms in this equation. Y total means total admittance is equal to 1 upon R plus J omega C minus 1 upon omega L. Okay. At resonance condition, the nature of the network is pure resistive. Means it going to be zero. Imaginary part of this admittance is going to be zero. So what is the condition? Omega C minus 1 by omega L is equal to 0. From that we will write as omega L, omega C is equal to 1 upon omega L. From this omega is coming to left side. Omega square is equal to 1 upon LC. It is written as omega is equal to 1 upon square root of LC. So what is the relation between omega and frequency? 2 pi f. Okay. So instead of omega, I am writing 2 pi f is equal to 1 upon root LC. So from this equation, frequency is equal to 1 upon 2 pi root LC. Okay. Either series network or parallel network, the frequency resonance frequency is same 1 upon 2 pi root LC. Please remember this formula, it is very important. So what is the consideration, what we consider? Okay. First one is impedance consists only conductance. In series network it is resistance, it is we are considering Z means 1 upon R, it is Z. Okay, conductance. The value of the current will be minimum. How it is minimum? See, it is maximum, not minimum. So total admittance before occurring of resonance y1 plus y2 plus y3. So at a resonance, these two effects, these two admittance, inductance and capacitance admittance are nullified, so that the total admittance is going to be maximum. Maximum means, so in that case, the current value is minimum. Current is equal to V into I into Y. Okay. Please, I'm sorry for this mistake. At the resonance, admittance reaches to minimum. Okay, this is going to be minimum. Admittance is minimum. In this case, mean what is that? Impedance is maximum. Okay, impedance is maximum means what is meant by current? I is equal to V upon Z. Z is maximum. Z is maximum means current going to be minimum. Please, it is correct. The value of current will be minimum since the total admittance is also minimum. Minimum. The voltage and currents are in phase. Okay, similar as like the resistor network. The voltage and currents are in phase. Means the angle between voltage and current is zero. Means cos phi. Means power factor. Power factor cos phi is equal to cos zero, which is equal to 1. It is also nature of the circuit at a resonance is unity power factor. Please make a note on this. Parameters, few parameters in the parallel circuit. So it is derived already. Some parameter has a series resonance circuit. Resonance frequency is already derived. So F naught is equal to 1 upon 2 pi 1 upon 2 pi square root of ELC. Half power frequencies. This is same as the series resonance. Instead of L, I am replacing C. Okay. Please do remember these two frequencies not important in detail derivation for your exam point of view. Okay. So bandwidth, it is also same definition as like the series network. Series resonance rate. So bandwidth is equal to omega 2 minus omega c 1 upon RC. Quality factor. Quality factor is also defined as omega upon beta. So beta is 1 upon RC. So I am writing omega naught 1 upon RC. Finally, we will get omega naught into RC. Please remember these formulas for while calculating the problems. Thank you.